My name is Benji and my role is General Manager at Blinc. 2 weeks, this is my first role. A career high was setting up a greeting cards business, an online greeting cards business, and the sort of high point was when we had 10,000 customers sign up one Christmas and send one of our cards. Yeah, on a training exercise when I was a soldier, I lost my rifle for about half an hour, and all activity on the exercise had to stop while we searched this pitch black, long grass field to try and find where I'd put it before I jumped up and ran away from it. But I don't know, I'm happy with how things are going so far. How slow the decision-making process is. You don't have to necessarily have a long-term plan, just focus on what you're doing right now and do it as well as you can. Motivated by the idea of being successful in my own and other people's eyes, I guess. Probably the guy I co-founded that greeting card business with, just working with him for 6 years. From my limited experience so far, I like the fact that it's everywhere, in that roads and highways are everywhere. And they fulfill everything from the way an ambulance gets to and from someone who needs their help, to people going on a day trip, to they're such a part of the core fabric of just how human beings live in a place. Oh, by the end of the workday, I'm pretty done with working. I find it pretty easy to switch off and do stuff hobbies or whatever I like to do in the evening. My Apple laptop. I'd mandate roadside recovery vehicles to have a Blinc light as well as a chapter H Chevron on the back of them.